Just a normal after day of feeding. You doing it today, ain't you, girlie? Oh, quackers. Tell me the eggs in the hen house. Hey, 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 hey. Hey, there's a couple in there. This is the new one. They ain't got used to coming in here yet, so I ain't expecting a whole lot. I'm trying to put their feed in here where they kind of get used to coming here. But they ain't doing it yet. What the heck? The door done grabbed hold of me. Oh me. All these chickens. I got too many roosters. I'm gonna start target practice with some roosters. I gotta pick the ones that I like. So I like that one. I like that one too. There's a few of them that's like, he's cullable. That's some pretty roosters though. Every one of my roosters are pretty. But that's a Wyandotte, golden lace Wyandotte. And then I got a bunch of Americana crosses. All these hens and these quackers, they're quacking like crazy. I told y'all a bunch of stuff down in the water. I think those are silver lace Brahmas, but I ain't positive. Those were gave to me. I don't know what that is. We'll see. They're getting big though. I believe every one of them dang a rooster. I got a bunch of Rhode Island red hens up here. There's a couple of them coming at me. It's time to be incubating, really. If you want layers next spring, now's the time to be getting eggs and hatching them out. What are you doing up here, girlie? Huh? I need to move y'all's pen.